Welcome to Unboxing. Convert wrapper objects to primitives. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Wrapper objects like integer store primitive values, but can't be used directly in calculations. How do we use wrapper objects as primitives? Wrapper objects can't do math. Extra steps needed for operations. Code becomes verbose and clunky. Unboxing automatically extracts primitive values from wrapper objects for direct use. How is unboxing used in the real world? Math operations. Perform calculations with wrapper O. Collection processing. Extract primitives from generic lists. Method parameters. Pass wrapper types to primitive par. Unboxing powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without unboxing? Manually converting wrapper objects to primitives. Look at how messy the code gets. Manual conversion calls. Verbose and repetitive. Clutters code. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Unboxing. Look how clean the code is now. Automatic primitive conversion. Cleaner arithmetic operations. No manual.int value calls. Compare the difference. And that is why we use unboxing. Let's see how to implement unboxing in code. Here is the implementation. Create boxed integer. Wrapper object with value. Auto unbox to primi. Convert integer to int. Create boxed double. Wrapper object with decimal. Auto unbox double. Convert double to double. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is unboxing in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is unboxing extracts primitive value from wrapper object. Which line shows unboxing? Which one is correct? The correct answer is int j equals I converts integer to int. Unboxing. What happens if unboxing null? Which one is correct? The correct answer is unboxing null throws null pointer exception. What's the output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is integer cache for -128 to 127. So A and B reference same. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.